Watch this. Pick him up.
Yeah.
Easy, buddy, easy. He ain't worth it.
I'm tired of that guy like he's the big sheep on campus. He's nothing but a big bully.
Hey! Pick him up.
Bah, bah, bah. That's it.
You got something to say to me, Lamb Chop?
Yeah, since the day you joined this flock, you've been pulling your sheep tricks and taking all our grass money. I, for one, am tired of getting fleeced.
Dale.
Till now, I've been a sheep at the wheel, but I'm about to start pushing back.
Watch it, Bo Peep, before I put you out to pasture.
Yeah. Maybe we should call the shepherd.
Maybe we should call the shepherd. But you bunch of bleeding hearts, always looking for the shepherd to keep things sheep shape. You follow him around like a flock of, well, sheep.
But he's our leader.
He loves us.
Yeah, without him, this life would be a little sheep of horrors.
You mean, without him, we'd be free. And that's why I'm hoofing it.
You're leaving?
Going on the lamb? Are you mad?
Please, who needs him? You take away all the shepherd's muscles, brains, and experience. And then, what have you got?
Us! Have you noticed that on the food chain, we're only one leg higher than grass? There's no such thing as wild sheep. Look at us, big, fluffy bodies, little stubby legs, flat teeth. When a big snarling wolf attacks, what are you planning on using against him? Harsh language?
I actually haven't thought of that.
You hadn't thought of it because we have the brains the size of walnuts.
Yeah.
We're born followers power. With the flock, you have safety, food, water, and security. Without the flock, you're nothing but mutton.
You know what? You guys may be right. I think I'll stick with the shepherd. Let's get out of here.
Wait! There's something you need to do first.
What's that?
Pick 'em up!